Hey guys, what's happening? How to send USDT on TRC20 on Binance. So right in front of you, you're gonna see assets at the bottom right menu. Go ahead and click. You're gonna see your cryptos, right? And you're gonna find right here USDT. Go ahead and just press USDT. And then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and hit send at the bottom middle, right? You're gonna see add USDT, send, transfer. Click send. And you're gonna see a pop-up window. And you're gonna be able to select withdrawal method. Just select on-chain withdrawal. Okay, and of course enter the address after you generate it from a different platform, right? And select the network right here, the second option under the address. And you're gonna be able to select Tron, the third option, or TRC20. And basically enter the address and the withdrawal amount, minimum 10 USDT, and then hit hit withdraw, knowing that Binance will take $1 or 1 USDT from as a fee. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we will catch you in the next time.